Guess what came in the mail? I know there have been a lot of unboxings lately, and I apologize. I promise I'm not going to just do unboxing. Actually, we got this in the mail today, so this is for Goose, our 4Runner. We have a 2004 4Runner, and we needed a little bit more clearance to get her up some of the spots on Bushcraft Ridge to get to the very top. And to help with that, we ordered the 3-inch rough country lift for it fits the 2003. It's the 4th gen 4Runner. Oh, also the FJ Cruiser 07 to 13. I didn't know that. It's a 3-inch front and a 2-inch rear leveling kit. So this in the front goes in between the strut. So this mount goes in between the strut and the frame. And then in the back, it actually, you replace the shocks. I got the kit where you actually replace the shocks, because these shocks are better than the stock, than what's on there right now. So this weekend, I don't know if I'm probably not going to shoot a full like how-to video of every single thing we do, but I will take some video this weekend of us putting these on. So I'm gonna rent out a one of those do-it-yourself garages where they have a hydraulic lift. So you pay per hour. Yeah, this feels really solid. So in the front, it's literally, you have to undo a few things. You have to kind of know what you're doing, but if you're mechanically proficient and have some basic skills and know how to follow instructions, it's not that difficult, especially if you have a hydraulic lift. So you pay a certain amount for the bay per hour, and all of the mechanics tools are there. You get to use them, and then you pay, like, I don't know, $20 an hour for the lift. All right, puppies, but we're going to do that this Saturday. And like I said, I'm not going to film like a full how-to. This is how you put the Rough Country 3-inch lift kit. This is for the rear. The Rough Country 3-inch lift kit on the 2004 Toyota 4Runner. But we'll check in enough times that you'll get a basic idea of what's going on. But essentially, like I said, this is the 3-inch lift that goes between your strut in the front and the frame, and then you replace the back shocks, and you have the spacer. And I may have that, actually this looks to, anyways, 2 of them go in the front, 2 of them go in the back. And yeah, we're going to set her up. And like I said, Goose is our 4Runner. We're going to throw this on her. See, it has there are a lot of videos on YouTube. Like, you can go, like, if you search right now, how to install the Rough Country 3-inch lift, or there are different sizes, but how to install Rough Country lift kit on the 2004 4Runner, it'll show you. Yeah, see, here's even an example of where you put the silver piece that I showed you in between the actual strut and the frame right there. But we'll take like I said, we're not going to shoot a full this is how you do it video, but we'll check in enough that you can see what's going on. Like, you'll at least see these main shots. Like we'll get there, we'll film, we'll get it lifted, we'll film us lifting her, doing some different stuff, and then yeah. All right, I will put a link to this rough country kit in the description below. You may not have a 2004 4Runner. They have a bunch of different kits. They actually have this exact same kit that doesn't come with the shocks for the back, and it's like, I don't know, $60, $70 cheaper. So this one was $250. The one without the shocks for the back, just the spacers, was like $160, $170, $169, something like that. But it's one of the cheaper lift kits out there. It's quality. Not everybody loves them. I'm not going to be doing like hardcore rock crawling and off-roading where I need the $700, $800, $900 lift kits. And this is simple enough for me to put on by myself with the help of a buddy of mine. All right, guys, let me know what you think in the description below. As always, subscribe, like, share, and we'll see you on the ridge.